Well, I drank all the milk tonight. There's no more milk. None. So I can't turn into the mustache man. But I can revert over to Girl Scout cookies because we have about 55 boxes of Girl Scout cookies here at the Hunt Long Polkmore residence. Anyways, I just want to tell y'all that I hope y'all had a great day, and I did. I ate a lot of food. The good thing I did spin this morning. Sure did. But, anyways, y'all go to bed because it is 10:30. It's time for all good people to go to bed and wake up tomorrow to do it again. So, alright, I'm glad y'all got to see me. Bye!